tanong po kung nabasa po ninyo, even yesterday, bawa kahapon po, nung natanggap po ninyo, nabasa po ba ninyo yung privilege speech?
Hindi po, Mr.
So
Chair.
until now, hindi nyo pa rin po nababasa.
If you were not able to read the privilege speech of the Honorable Majority Leader, hindi nyo po alam yung mga issues na niraise dito. At kung gano'n ang mangyayari, paano nyo masasagot yung mga katanungan ng mga membro rito? Dito ako ngayon para magtanong sa inyo. Mas marami pa yata akong alam kasi sa inyo ngayon eh.
Inform BF Samselco, hindi ko po alam. Hindi namin alam tong isang kontrata.
May I ask Mr. Chair if the resource persons, specifically Zamerco and Crown and Desco, when did they come to know about the privilege speech of the Honorable Majority Leader?
Sino pong unang susumagot? Crown. Attorney Gagan. Agan. Please respond to the query of Honorable Ako.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Upon my receipt of the invitation, that's the only time I had time to gloss over the copy of the PS, the privilege speech.
The question is when. So would you please give us the exact date?
I received the email of the invitation the evening of September 6, I think, Mr. Chair.
Please continue. Ay, Samselco po pala. Engineer Mr. Jeffrey Tarife, please respond.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Last Friday po, Mr. Chair, when I received the invitation.
So that is September 6 also?
Yes, Mr. Chair, to be exact.
Sa parehas po, si Crown at saka si Samselco parehas September 6.
I received the email po of invitation.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, may I also know when did NEA and ERC come to know about the privilege speech of the Honorable Majority Leader?
Please, NEA first, Honorable Almeida.
Mr. Chair, ako po ay napanood ko si Congressman Dalipe, our Majority Leader, when he delivered his privilege speech. For purposes of information of whether or not kailan ko nalaman ang sitwasyon ng Samselco at napag-usapan na ho namin ni Majority Leader Dalipe to noong budget deliberations at nag-exchange notes na po ako sa kanya, nag-report na po ako sa kanya kung ano ang aking initial findings at ano ang plano kong gawin.
I think the question is when? When? Kailan po? August.
Hindi ko po matandaan yung dates pero ang alam ko po kami po ni
Majority. Like po ba ninyo napakinggan yung kanyang privilege speech or recorded na?
Napanood ko po sa Facebook yun eh dahil
recorded na po. So hindi lang po ninyo maalala kung kailan.
Opo, yung live po pinanood ko po siya ng live dahil I was informed by Congressman Dina Sischo that there is an ongoing privilege speech.
Okay. So August 27 po yun.
August 27 po, napanood ko po siya.
August 27. Okay. Next, ERC. Attorney Kawamoto.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. Unfortunately po, hindi po namin na we weren't part or we weren't in attendance or we weren't able to view the privilege speech of the Honorable Congressman. However, we were provided the excerpts.
So, but when did you, kailan po ninyo nalaman yung yung privilege speech?
As far as yung kung kailan po siya pumasok po sa information po namin or sa kamay po namin.
When was that?
Yesterday lang po.
Yesterday only?
Yes,
but when did you receive the subpoena?
Invitation.
Or the invitation of the committee?
Just for clarification, Mr. Chair, the subpoena for this committee hearing po.
September?
I mean, for this committee
hearing. Yung committee hearing po ngayon, kailan po yung invitation ninyo natanggap?
Personally po, para sa akin po, yesterday ko lang rin po siya natanggap, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know if the resource persons that we have asked questions bothered to read the privileged speech of the Honorable Majority Leader?
Siguro simulan po natin si Attorney Agan.
Yes, Your Honor. So if I may be given the opportunity now to correct some figures that were mentioned in the privileged speech with respect
No,
to
no,
the...
no, no. I'm the one asking the question.
Yes, I did.
My questions are answerable by yes or no.
Yes,
Please answer yes or no.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Chair.
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, next is Mr. Taripe.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Of course, si Honorable Almeida napanood po ninyo personal, and about the ERC po, Attorney Kawamoto.
Mr. Chair, unfortunately, hindi po namin siya napanood.
So until now, hindi nyo pa rin po napapanood?
We were only provided po with excerpts of the...
Sa email po, pagkakalam ko po, kasama po yung privilege speech. Sama po ba, Comsec?
Yes, Your Honors. The Secretariat already attached a text copy of the privileged speech of Majority Floor Leader in the invitations, Your Honor.
Did you bother to read the attachment?
Mr. Chair, yesterday lang po kasi na-send sa amin
Yes,
yung email.
tanong po kung nabasa po ninyo. Even yesterday, bawa kahapon po, nung natanggap po ninyo, nabasa po ba ninyo yung privilege speech?
Hindi po, Mr.
So
Chair.
until now, hindi nyo pa rin po nababasa?
Wala po siya sa amin, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
thank you.
So, if you were not able to read the privileged speech of the Honorable Majority Leader, hindi nyo po alam yung mga issues na niraise dito. At kung gano'n ang mangyayari, paano nyo masasagot yung mga katanungan ng mga membro rito? Matanong ko nga po. Bago kasi ako magtanong ng mga katanungan ko, gusto ko malaman na kung alam nyo yung mga 7 issues na re-raise ni Majority Leader doon sa kanyang privilege speech. May 7 issues doon eh.
Attorney Ganan from Crown, would you like to respond?
From the privileged speech of the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, I recall, Mr. Chair, that among the issues raised first was the exponentially ballooning liability of the cooperative.
Yeah, that's number 2.
The alleged mismanagement of the cooperative by the investor manager. The receipt of management fee.
Para hindi ka na nag-guess, sabihin ko na sa iyo.
Honorable
Sa
Ako,
inyo.
please continue.
Yes. Ang niraise po na issues ni Honorable Majority Leader is NEA is urged to terminate the IMC. Number 2, Zamelco's debts ballooned to about 4.6 billion. Number 3, system losses remain at 22%. Number 4, Zamelco was downgraded to category C. Number 5, the investor manager violated capital and financial obligations under the IMC. Number 6, Zamelco's average collection efficiency is in steady decline. And number 7, Zamelco's members demanded the termination of the IMC. I think it was only 2 days ago na designate ako na vice chairperson nitong committee na ito. At nandito ako ngayon para magtanong sa inyo. Mas marami pa yata akong alam kasi sa inyo ngayon eh. Di po ba? Kasi hindi nyo nga alam yung 7 issues eh. Eh kung magtatanong ako ngayon sa inyo, doon sa 7 issues na ito, masasagot nyo po ba ako? Kasi this is an inquiry in aid of legislation. Kung hindi tama o mali o sinungaling po kayo sa akin ngayon, eh nasanay na po kami na mag-move to cite in contempt yung nagsisinungaling dito eh. Kaya maigi na yung nagkakaintindihan tayo ngayon, masasagot nyo ba ng tama yung aking kasagutan? O kaya sasagutin nyo ba ng tama?
Isa-isa po natin. Attorney Agan from the Crown Investment.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sasagutin po ninyo?
Nang tama. Yes, sir.
Okay. From Mr. Taripe. From Zamselco?
To the best of my ability po, Mr. Chair, sasagutin ko po ng tama.
Okay. Attorney Kawamoto.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Upon confirming with the commission staff po, wala pong included na attachments po dun sa
Hindi, ang
email.
tanong po kung masasagot po ninyo ng tama.
Yes po, pursuant to our mandate, we are here to provide any information that may be required of the
Yes. And Honorable Almeda,
Yes, Mr. Chair, we're ready to answer.
they're all ready to answer. Honorable Vice Chair, ako.
Thank you.
Okay, far away.
May I ask Zamelco's argument against arrayed against the assertion of the Honorable Majority Leader that NEA has the authority to terminate the IMC between Zamelco and Crown Desco. What would your argument be?
Nia, Attorney,
No, it's
ano?
tinatanong ko po, Mr. Chair, yung Zamelco.
Okay.
Kasi dito papunta yun eh.
Mr.
Yung
Jeffrey
ma-terminate
Tarife,
yung
please
IMC
respond.
contract.
Mr. Jeffrey Tarife, please respond to the query.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I be, po yung katanungan po ulit, Mr. Chair.
Now, pinaterminate po ni Majority Leader yung IMC. Tama po, di ba? Doon sa kanyang argument. Sinight ko, doon sa 7 arguments that the IMC will be terminated. Yun ang gusto ni Majority Leader. Now, my question is, what would your argument be? Kasi doon sa katanungan na if NEA has the authority to terminate the IMC between Zamelco and Crown Disco, what would your argument be?
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Tarife, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. With regards po sa authority ng NEA to terminate the IMC po, it is, in my opinion po, NEA has no authority to terminate. Meron po silang supervisory authority over the contract po, Mr. Chair.
Are you trying to tell this committee that there is no provision in the IMC for the IMCC to be terminated?
There is po, Mr. Chair, meron pong mechanisms on how to terminate.
No,
the...
I'm not asking the mechanism. I'm asking the reasons for termination.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ano po yung reasons na yun?
If I may, Mr. Chair, if I can.
Please continue.
Upon mutual agreement, Mr. Chair, may I proceed?
Please proceed.
Upon mutual agreement of the parties and at any time by either one of the parties in case of the occurrence of an event of default as defined herein.
That is from your agreement, right?
Yes po, Mr.
Mr.
Chair.
Chair, may I request that Zamelco would provide us a copy of their of the IMC from
Please.
where the answer is based?
Please please furnish this committee copy of your IMC.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, we will.
Do you have it now?
Yes, of course. Can you get a copy?
Pakibigay po dito sa Secretariat. Pwede po ba ako makahingi ng kopya?
From Zamboanga City Electric Authority.
Yes, The chair receives a copy of investment and management contract dated August 29, 2018. It's a 40-page contract. Ito, tinitignan ko. Entered into by and between the joint venture Crown Investment Holdings Inc. and Desco Inc. as investor manager and Zamboanga City Electric Cooperative Inc. Zamselco. Joint venture Crown is represented by Marv Espejo. Wait, teka. Nakalagay ko ano eh. Authorized representative, and Zamselco is being represented by its Chief Executive Officer Adelmo Laput. Task Force Duterte, Zamboanga City Power. Signed in the presence of Joseph Omar Castillo, President of Crown Holdings Inc., and Priscilla Alvarez of Internal Auditor CAD Manager.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
with the indulgence, can we show that same investment management contract to Crown, if that is the same contract they signed into an agreement with Zamboanga City Electric Co. Pwede pakita muna.
Yes.
Para for record purposes, kung parehong kontrata ba yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Attorney Agan, paki-scrutinize po yung kontrata. And Attorney Agnes Marana.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, we confirm, Mr. Chair, that this contract with title 29 August 2019 IMC 4th round, this is the same, the one that is at the upper left-hand.
Do you also confirm the
Yes,
signatories?
We confirm
signatories?
that we have, that's the copy that we are referring to.
Si Agan. Attorney Agan, do you also confirm?
Mr. Chair, I confirm that this is a copy of the IMC contract we have on file.
Okay, yes, the IMC contract is confirmed by Attorney Romel Agan and Attorney Agnes Maranan of both of Crown Investment Holdings. This IMC was furnished to us by the President of Zamselco, Mr. Jeffrey Taripe. Duly notarized yun, ano? Notarized? Huh? Yeah, but notarized. Yeah, notarized. Okay, it's a notarized document.
Mr. Chair, I understand our USEC from the Department of Energy is also handed over a copy. Is that the same copy? For purposes of
request the USEC Galin to furnish us with a copy.
Tingin.
Would you please confirm if we are talking of the same IMC document signed by the parties concerned?
Ano? Walang? Sa DOE hindi notarized?
Okay. So the one that was submitted by Zamselco is the document that is notarized.
Okay.
Yun dun po sa DOE, yung po yata yung hindi notarized.
Niya.
Yung sa NIA po. Would you please peruse on the document, the IMC?
But our own file copy in our office, we can furnish you what is
No, we just want to know if that is, would you confirm if the same, we are talking of the same instrument?
Mr. Chair, signed by Mr. Marco Espejo and Adelmo Laput. For
Same thing.
Same thing.
Same thing. Okay. The signatories are the same and the date also the same. Thank you. Oh. Please continue, Congressman Honorable Vice Chair Ako.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. May I ask Zamelco and Crown Desco whether this is the permanent and current agreement that is being followed by the two stakeholders?
Sino po ang gusto sumagot sa Crown? Dalawa po kayo. Attorney Agnes or Attorney Agan? Attorney Agnes, please answer.
Yes, Mr. Chair, this is the agreement that's being implemented.
Okay, how about Attorney Agan?
Same, Mr. Chair.
There's no other contract.
Wala na po kayo ibang kontrata daw? Attorney Agan, please.
I don't have a copy of any other contract, Mr. Chair.
Okay, how about Attorney?
No, that's a different answer.
Ang tanong po kung meron po bang ibang kontrata. Ilan po ba daw yung kontrata?
I was informed just recently that there's another contract, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I think the resource person is not answering
yes, sir.
Please
appropriately my
answer
question.
Yes, sir.
responsibly. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay. How about the President of Samselco, Mr. Tarife?
This was the one that was given to Mr. Chair.
No, ang tanong po, ito lang po ba daw yung kontrata?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Yung agreement po ng Samselco at saka ng Crown, ang tinatanong po ni Vice Chair kung yun lang daw po ba yung kontrata.
Ito pong nasa amin po.
Okay, so yan lang po.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala na pong iba.
Wala na po.
Wala na po.
Ito lang.
Okay. May we ask the representative of NIA, the Honorable Antonio Almeda, please answer po the query.
Yes, Mr. Chair, the contract that was duly approved by the Board of Administrators of NEA then, ito po yung sinusunod namin.
Okay, so isang kontrata na po yung pinasok ng Samselco at saka Crown, tama po ba?
Opo.
Yung po yata yung tanong ni Vice Chair. Okay, so sa ERC po, sa pagkakala po ba ninyo, ito lang po ba yung kontrata?
Mr. Chair, yes po, we are confirming it.
Okay, so the four resource person confirmed that there is only one contract entered into by and between Crown Investment Holdings and Samselco. Yes, Honorable Vice Chair Ako.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'm in possession of a contract signed between Zamboanga City Electric Cooperative and Crown, dated October.
It's August. Ano ba ito? So it's a different
I
date.
have a different contract which pertains to the same issue with me. May I know if they are aware of this? Can the page show this? Page,
Pwede pong pakibigay po sa President po ng Crown at ng Samselco. Ito po. Sa akin mo lang. Ano?
Mr. Chair,
Attorney,
let me make it clear.
yes, Vice Chair, you are recognized.
The representative of Crown Desco admitted na meron pang isang kontrata. Is that correct?
I think it was Attorney Agan. Are you referring to another contract?
As I was saying earlier, Mr. Chair, I was recently informed and showed that there was another contract.
There's another contract.
But that is not the contract that you are following.
That is
Not the contract that you are following.
that is not the contract that you are
That we are
following.
implementing. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Was it also notarized?
I don't recall, Mr. Chair. I don't. I was.
So we are talking here of two contracts, two different contracts. Are we talking here of two different contracts? Because iba pong date yung binigay yata sa atin ni Vice Chair, yung pinakita po ninyo sometime in August, and this contract is October or August, September, October. 2 months thereafter. 2 months o year yan? Months lang. Yes, Attorney Agnes, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. If Your Honor, please, I think when on all our parts, when we refer to there being one contract, it means that there is one live contract. And the live contract is this contract of 29 August 2018. If Your Honor, please, from 2018 up to now, 2024, what is being implemented is this 28 August 2018 contract. If you are asking what is the effect of this this contract which I am being shown,
Mr. Chair,
dated,
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
if I may,
I'm not asking
Honorable
that question.
ako.
I'm not asking that question. Ang tinatanong ko lang is, bakit dalawa yung kontrata? Pinabe-verify ko nga kung ano yung kontrata na yun na pangalawa eh.
I think we are still in
kayo kaagad eh.
we are still in the process of verifying
yes, sir.
the second document.
Napaghalata kayo dahil ang background ko po, investigador ako eh. Masyado na kayong defensive, nagsisimula pa lang tayo eh. Di po ba? Kasi sinasagot po ninyo yung mga katanungan na hindi ko pa tinatanong eh.
Antay po natin mamaya na ipa-expound po yung inyong mga reasons. Siguro we will ask Mr. Taripe tungkol po dito sa kontratang ito pinakikita po sa atin ni Vice Chair ako. Aware po ba kayo dito?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ka aware?
Nung ano lang po.
Ang tanong lang yata is kung aware po kayo sa existence nito. Yes or no lang po yun?
No po, Mr.
No?
Chair, kasi I assume my position just last year po, Mr.
Okay, so hindi po kayo aware?
Yes,
So
kasi
aware lang po dito is Attorney Agnes and Attorney Adan. So yung Crown lang po yung aware. So kayo po, dahil bago lang kayo, hindi po kayo aware. Okay, we will now proceed to Honorable Almeida of NIA. Are you aware of the existence of the second contract dated sometime in October?
Mr. Chair, I was made aware that there was a first contract that was entered into by the former board of directors, which were eventually dissolved by NEA, and a second contract that was submitted to AGMA for ratification and submitted for NEA for the due approval of the Board of Administrators, of which second contract is the one being followed and used by Samselco and Crown Desco
I think the
Investment.
question is just if you are aware if there are two contracts.
Yes, I was.
So you're aware now of the existence of the second contract?
No, yes, the existence of the second contract is the one being used. What I was saying
We are
earlier-
not asking if which contract is being used. We are just aware of the existence. We're just asking of the existence, if you are aware of the existence of these two contracts.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Only recently.
Okay, we will expound the question later. Now, the ERC po.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we are not aware that.
You are not aware?
We are not.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
so the only two responded that they are not aware, si Mr. Jeffrey Taripe and Attorney Kawamoto, and
GM pa, hindi na tanong. General Manager.
si Chu. Ano sa ano to? Samsel ko to eh.
Yes, tanongin natin.
Yes, si Engineer Chu. Are you aware of this of the existence of the second contract?
I have no personal knowledge about that first contract that you're saying, Your Honor.
Yung second contract. Kailan ka po naging GM ng Samselco?
2020 acting GM.
Okay, 2020. So, both representative of Samselco, you're both not aware of the second contract? Okay. Pwede po bang makita if the second contract were signed by the same parties? Pwede po ba namin malaman kung same parties din na nakapirma dito?
Gusto mo kayo ano?
Yung signatory po.
Mr. Chair, for record purposes, I am a member consumer and I was present during the annual general membership assembly, and I know who was presiding during the annual general membership assembly, who is the president, who is the board. I can even recall the NEA administrator present during the annual general membership assembly. I was present there. But it appears, Mr. Chair, it seems that there are two contracts. One, I know the signatory because he was the presiding officer during the General Assembly. So the name, saan ba yun? Wait. Here. One contract, I recognize the signatories because this was the person presiding over the annual general membership assembly. I was present during that assembly because it has to be presented to us for ratification. I can see the signature of Omar Aysay, board president. So I can recall, together with, if I'm not mistaken, 10,000 people in attendance, that Omar Sahi presided over the special annual general membership assembly of Samselco to ratify the contract which was accordingly bidded out by then board Omar Sahi. And also there is here a signature, Marby Espeo. Can I see the other one? Sino yung pumirma? So for the first contract, Mr. Chair, for record purposes, I can recall the signatory is the presiding officer of the special annual general membership assembly. As for this other contract, Marby Espejo for Crown Desco and Adelmo Laput, Chief Executive Officer, Task Force Duterte, signing form BF Samselco. Hindi ko po alam. Hindi namin alam tong isang kontrata. Yes. I can even, maybe in another meeting, present even the movement of the motion during the special AGMA. So, but for the other contract na pinirma, na may pirma ni Omar Sahi, Mr. Chair, I can confirm before this body that this was the same person who presided over the special annual general membership assembly. Siya po yung nag-preside, Omar Sahi. Pero ito siya po yung nag-preside, siya po nagpresenta sa special annual general membership assembly na i-ratify namin yung kontrata. Pero ito pong isa, hindi ko alam kung saan galing to.
May I proceed, Mr.
Yes,
Chair?
please continue, Honorable Vice Chair Ako.
The Administrator of NEA, ang sagot po nyo kanina, yun pong second contract ang alam po ninyo.
Please respond, Honorable Almeda.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yung ERC, you do not know anything about the two contracts. Tama po ba?
Please respond, Attorney Kawamoto.
Yes po, we are confirming po.
Now, kanina, itong site ng Samselco at saka Crown Desco, ang kontrata is yung pinirmahan ni Mr. Espejo at saka ni Lapot. Alin po ang totoong kontrata talaga?
Just refer to the date. Ano po yung totoong kontrata? Yung
Ito
August
sa
o yung
Melco at
October?
sa Crown Desco.
May we hear it from Attorney Agan of Crown Investment?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The contract that we are implementing is the one signed by Laput of Task Force Duterte, Mr. Chair.
Lapon. That is August. That contract is the one dated August 29, ba?
The
Yes.
August 29
Yes.
version,
So the first contract.
the fourth round.
Hindi.
Yes,
Yung po yung unang
contract,
kontrata.
August.
So magkaiba po yung sinasabi ninyo tsaka ni Nia na
Yeah,
sinasabi ni Nia.
Yun yung pinapakita ko eh.
Okay.
How about Zamelco?
Samselco, Mr.
Samselco.
Taripe, please respond to the query.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. In as far as the Board of Directors are concerned, who assumed office last year only, yung sinusunod po namin is the one that I have submitted to the Chair.
Which is dated?
This
Is it-
one, the
August.
August 29,
Yeah.
Okay.
signed by Mr. Marvy Espejo and Adelmo Lapu, Mr. Chair.
Please continue, Mr. Vice Chair. Ako.
So, we have two contracts. Now, may I ask Nea, who submitted the contract, the second contract to Nea?
Please continue,
Mr. Chair, it was Samselco.
Sino po?
Samselco.
Samselco submitted the second contract?
Samselco submitted this contract signed by Marvy Espejo and Mr. Laput to NEA, which was submitted for ratification by the Board of Administrators.
But, Mr. Administrator, kanina sinabi po ninyo na ang inyong nire-recognize ay po yung second contract. Di po ba? The minutes of the hearing would bear me out.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Permit me that the second contract I was referring earlier is the contract signed by Mr. Espejo and Mr. Laput.
So you're not aware of the contract signed by Mr. Espejo and a certain Mr. Sahi? You're not aware of that?
Well, it was recently I was informed by my deputies that there was a first contract. Actually, this is the second contract. The first contract executed by Espejo and Sahi happened prior to the second contract. When
Let me correct you there. Tingnan po natin yung date. Yung first contract is dated August, signed by Mr. Espejo and Mr. Laput. The second contract was signed in October, which came later, signed by Mr. Espejo and Mr. Saki. So, which is which?
Sir, the second contract we are using in NEA, signed by Laput and Mr. Espejo, was notarized on the dates of November 20, 2018. And if you are referring, if I may,
So
Mr.
you're
Chair,
referring to the date of the notarization,
Well-
not the date of the contract.
well, in the same way that it happened, the signing was
Okay, just to be clear.
wala pong nakalagay sa signature card eh. Din na po namin binibase sa acknowledgement page ng notary, no? Now, if I may add, Mr. Chair,
So that will be one contract. May nakalagay dito, final IMC as of 17 April 2018. Sa isang contract, may nakalagay dito, August 29, 2018. Magkaibang buwan, Mr. Chair. Yung April 17, 2018, yun ang pinirmahan ni Espejo pati ni Sahi, yung presidente ng Samselco, April. Yung pangalawa, August 2018. Ang August contract, Espejo and Laput. Yun ang pagkakaiba, 2 buwan. May isang April, may April 2018, ang pumirma, Espejo at yung naalala kong president ng Samselco, Omar Sahi, yung nag-preside sa ratification ng kontrata during the Special General Assembly. At may pangalawa, August, a few months after, may pangalawang kontrata. Ang pumirma naman, Espejo and Laput. Mr. Chair.
So, tama po ang pagkakaintindi ko, yung una pong kontrata was entered into and signed sometime in April.
Yes.
Yun ang first contract.
Yes.
So, yung second contract po is August. Now, the contract that you are referring to as second contract is the August.
Tama po yun, Mr. Chair.
So, yung binabanggit din po nila kanina na kontrata is yung August. Tama po ba? Tama ba?
Okay. Yung notarization date, okay, Mr. Chair, yung first, ang notarization date, yung kontrata pinirmahan ni Espejo Sahi, ang notarization date, August 31, 2018. Okay. Clear tayo na? Omar Sahi contract, August 31, 2018. Yung Laput contract, November 20, 2018. So yung isa na notaryo, August 31, 2018, signed by Omar Sahi, the president who presided over the Special Annual General Membership Assembly, who asked the member consumers to ratify it. At may pangalawang kontrata ni notaryo siya, November 20, 2018. That is after the special AGMA.
Vice Chair, ako,
So,
please
explain na
continue.
po natin, as far as NEA is concerned, ano po yung official na kontrata ang nire-recognize po ninyo?
Mr. Chair, if I may, in the contract, second contract executed August 29, signed by Mr. Espejo and Mr. Laput, which was notarized on November 20, 2018.
Thank you. Yung Zamelco at saka Zamselco at saka Crown Desco, ano po yung sinabi nyo kanina na kontrata?
Attorney Agnes Maranan, could you please respond to the query of the Vice Chair? Ano pong kontrata yung binabanggitin nyo kanina?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Firstly, sir, I'm
na kayo kasi iba-iba yung sagot nyo na eh.
Apologize for earlier speaking ahead of the question. But if Your Honor, please, I confirm that the contract that is being implemented is this this one which is dated, which has a date at the upper right-hand corner, 29 August 2018, denominated as IMC 4th round and notarized as the Honorable mentioned. It is the 20 November 2018.
Attorney Agan, what? Do you also share? Do you also confirm?
We confirm, Mr. Chair, that what we are implementing is this document with on the upper left hand indicating the date 29 August 2018 and IMC 4th round, signed by Laput.
Okay, how about Mr. Taripe of Samselco? What contract are you talking about?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. August 29, 2018, signed by Mr. Marvin Espejo and Mr. Adelmo Laput po, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Chair,
Honorable,
Joy, isa lang.
indulgence of the Honorable Vice Chair, the Chair recognizes the Honorable
Dalawa
Leader
yung
Florida.
kontrata na lumalabas. But I can only recall of one special annual general membership assembly kung saan kami, mga member consumer owner, niratify yung kontrata na yun. Ano yung basis ng isang kontrata? Anong annual general membership assembly siya niratify? Kasi alam ko, yung Omar Sai, siya yung nag-preside. He presided over the General Assembly. Siya yung nakapirma sa isang kontrata. At may isa, hindi namin nakita yan sa isang General Assembly na pumirma siya ng pangalawang kontrata. So ano yung basis ng ratification nung isang kontrata na kinikilala ng mga guests natin dito? Mr. Chair, yung pumirma si Laput. Anong saang General Assembly yung niratify?
Who do you want to address your question?
To everyone. We'll start with the Crown Desco. Attorney Agan and Attorney Maranan.
Yes, Attorney Maranan, would you like to respond? Or Attorney Agan? Sino po sa inyo? Attorney Agan, please respond.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. At the time that the proceedings were had in 2018...
Were you present?
I was not there, Mr. Chair.
You were not there?
I was not yet connected with Crown. I was still with government.
How about Attorney Maranan?
Likewise, Mr. Chair, I have no personal knowledge as to the events which occurred in 2018. I was also not yet with Crown.
Attorney Agan, were you present during the AGMA?
During the special AGMA, I don't recall I was there, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so ano pong ninyo? Sagot po ninyo sa tanong ni Madjo.
But I recall, based on the on records, Mr. Chair, I recall that there was this board resolution coming from NEA. We have it on file in the office, giving the approval to the contract on the IMC. I guess it would be best if.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, can we request the Attorney Agan to submit the board resolution coming from NEA? Ano ba yung
Could you furnish us with the board resolution that you are
I will
mentioning?
secure a copy, Mr. Chair, and provide the committee.
Yes, thank you.
Can you also ask, Mr. Chair, the President of Samselco and the General Manager of Samselco?
How about Mr. Taripe? What is your take on this?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I have no personal knowledge po dito kasi...
But based on your record, ano po yung record?
Based on record po, the one that was given to us when we assumed last year was the August 29, 2018 that was signed by Mr. Espeo, Marby Espeo, and Mr. Adalmo
I
Laput.
think ang tanong po yata ni Madjo is yung ratification. Anong kontrata yung ni-ratify?
I suppose po, Mr. Chair, I suppose, Mr. Chair, na
Is it the August or the April contract?
November or August?
Hindi, dalawa. April yata. April at saka August.
For reference na lang, Mr. Chair, let's just base yung kailan ni notaryo. Yung isa ni notaryo, August. Yung isa na notaryahan ng November.
Yes. Yes. It became a public document.
So, for record of the committee, one contract signed by Sahi was notarized August of 2018. The other contract was notarized November of 2018, which was signed by Laput. So,
yes, maybe we can ask the question. We can ask the question to the administrator of NEA, Honorable Almeda.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, we will be submitting a photocopy of the minutes of the General Membership Assembly meeting held on September 11, 2018 at the Samselco Multipurpose Gym, Samselco Compound, Zamboanga City, wherein Samselco presented to the General Meeting the ratification of the of the bidding of the investment management contract for Samselco, the winner bidder, which is the Crown Investment Holdings and Desco Incorporated, will be investing the amount of 2.5 billion pesos in Samselco. The presiding officer then asked the Assembly for the approval from the member consumer for the winner bidder.
Who is the presiding officer?
There's no mention here, but the present were Omar Sahi, Michael De La Serna, Gamar Hassan, Ernesto Perez, Cesar Balama, Oscar Q, and Lorifel Cuenca. Attending also were Honorable Maria Isabel Marcos Salazar, City Mayor, Honorable Manuel Dalipe Sr., former City Mayor, Honorable Cesar Jimenez, City Councilor, Jodover Arquiza, City Councilor, George Ledesma, former GM Samselco, Pedro Rufus Oliven, President CZC IFI, Media People of Zamboanga City, MSHAC of District 1 to 10, NEA Representative Guillermo Paz, and one staff, 6,000 more or less member consumer owners.
Is that document a certified
Yes,
copy?
Mr. Chair.
Can we furnish? Could you furnish the chair?
Although this is only a photocopy on file right
photocopy.
now, but we will submit the certified true copy.
But in the meantime, can we have a photocopy just for purposes of record? Check lang po. Titingnan lang po namin dito.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
can we ask the General Manager,
Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
kung naabutan pa niya tong si President Omar Sahi, kung nandun na siya nung nag-special annual General Membership Assembly?
Engineer Q, would you please respond?
Thank you, Your Honor. Hindi po. Hindi po nabutan.
Hindi nabutan? Who was then the General Manager of Zamboanga City Electric Cooperative when it held the Special General Assembly? Sino po yung General Manager nun?
During the time, Your Honor, since I was not yet in Zamboanga City, I do not know who was the general manager, if there has a general manager during the time. So I do not know, Your Honor, who was the general manager during that time.
Mr. Chair, kasi in-establish natin. Okay. Before you presented during the AGMA, yung board pinag-aralan na nila kasi nag-bidding, di ba? Kasi let's follow the sequence. Kailangan i-bidding ng board. Tapos may mananalo sa bidding. Tapos ipapanotaryo ngayon nung board yung kontrata at kailangan ipresenta sa General Assembly for ratification. Sa date pa lang, nagkakaiba na. Hindi pwede na-ratify una tapos pinirmahan later on. Dapat, pinirmahan muna nila ng Samselco at ng Crown Desco at i-present sa General Assembly for ratification. So hindi pwede mauna yung ratification tapos saka magkakaroon ng pangalawang kontrata. Nag-reverse yung procedure. Kailangan muna mauna yung kontrata bago sa ratification. So that's why we're trying to find out. Good that the Vice Chair Romy Ako brought it up because we have 2 dates. And yung isa may pirma ng tao ng preside ng Special General Assembly. Yung isa, hindi natin alam kung saan niya nakuha yung authority niya to ratify that contract.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. Chair.
Honorable Vice Chairman, Attorney Ako.
Yes, with the present circumstances, the question still remains, why should there be 2 contracts regarding one issue? Who can answer that question? Bakit dalawang kontrata?
Maybe we can ask the representative of NEA. Could you
Mr.
please
Chair,
answer to the question?
can I just relate the chronology of events as per NEA records? NEA issued an order, Mr. Chair, if I may proceed?
Yes, please proceed.
Okay. October 21, there was a board resolution, 2014, for an investment management contract to be entered into by Samselco. September 15, 2016, a board resolution was issued for the invitation to bid for Samselco IMC to jumpstart the bidding. March 27, 2017, there was a failure of first bidding. Okay? April 20, 2017, approval of the schedule of the second bidding, which is resolution number 61, series of 2017. June 8 of 2017, there is again a failure of a second bidding, but the TOR is maintained. August 14, 2017, since there were two failed bids, Samselco SBAC approved for a negotiated procurement for the IMC with modified terms of reference. December 12, 2017, approved the best offer of Comstech in partnership with Meralco. However, the resolution approved by Comstech did not materialize. So there was a rebidding that was conducted. Now, Meralco nung una, sir, pero hindi sila nag-participate or nag-submit na additional documents. So hindi na perfect yung bidding na yan. Come to July 12, 2018, there were 4 bidders. Davao Light and Power, Crown Investment Holdings, Comstech Integration Alliance, FDC Utilities, and Nicolas Management Services. August 9, 2018, the Office of the Administrator forwarded the letter of Congressman Manuel Jose Dalipe. The substance of said letter is to push for the IMC bidding without delay. August 10, 2018, stakeholders meeting, there was a public consultation that was conducted, who was presided by then former NEA Administrator Masumsong. August 14, 2018, NEA replied to the letter of Cong Dalipe that they will proceed with the bidding without further delay. August 15, 2018, Samselco SBAC, the Special Bid and Awards Committee, issued bid bulletin number 4 to notify registered bidders for the amendments in the TOR, of which as follows: from the original 60-40 sharing, the performance based remuneration was adjusted to 50-50. And the sale of the Putik property, which is the HQ of Samselco, should not be included in the computation of the net operating revenue. August 16, 2018, NEA issued Office Order number 2018-073, creating the Task Force Duterte, Zamboanga City Power. August 17, Samselco sent terms of reference as amended to NEA Legal Services Office for review. August 20, schedule of the second pre-bid conference of Samselco IMC. The PSP committee issued letter to Samselco Board President Omar Sahi, stating that the TOR's form and substance is okay and the SBAC may proceed to conduct the bidding process as scheduled. August 23, 2018, Samselco SBAC issued bid bulletin number 5, the 10 calendar day extension requested by the 2 bidders. August 24, 2018, Samselco SPAC issued bid bulletin number 6 as amended bidding procedures. August 27, 2018, Samselco BR number 97, resolution to pursue the conduct of IMC for Samselco is scheduled on August 30, 2018. August 29, 2018, the public sector participation convened to discuss the new timelines. August 30, 2018, the Samselco BOD issued revoking bulletin number 7, which is the extension of 10 days, and abolishing the SPAC, and also appointing themselves the board as the new SPAC.
Pwede po ba kaming makahingi ng kopya niyan?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair.
Or even the underlying resolutions?
Yeah. So, on August 31, a resolution to award the IMC to Crown Investment was issued by the Samselco Board of Directors, also acting as the SPAC. Okay? So, September 4, 2018, NEA issued a show cause order to the directors of Samselco, dissolving for the dissolution of SBAC and for constituting an SBAC composed of the Board of Directors of Samselco. So by September 11, the contract that was bidded on August 28 or August 30, it was presented during the AGMA. September 11, Mr. Chair. And October 5, 2018, said investment management contract was confirmed by the NEA Board of Administrators. I am respectfully submitting my outline chronology of events, Mr. Chair.
May we also, Mr. Chair, ask the names of the members of the Board of Directors of Zamboanga Electric Cooperative who were incumbent officials of the electric cooperative at that time. I understand it was Mr. Omar Sahi was the president and the other members of the board. Can you request that record from the National Electrification Administration and also from Samselco?
Please take note of the manifestation of the majority leader.
Also, may we know on record of the NEA, because you have all the records, can we find out now who composed the SBAC, Special Bids and Awards Committee? Pwede namin makita rin.
Mr. Chair, we submitted the minutes of the ratification in the AGMA.
Hindi, gusto namin malaman kung sino yung nagbid eh. Kasi
the composition
ng
SBAC.
Lumalabas eh. Sino yung composition ng SBAC? Sino sila? Kasi
can we provide,
yes,
Mr. Chair?
We'll wait now. Yes, can you get?
We'll just check in our office now.
Yes, because, okay, we just want to clarify, dalawa kasi lumalabas. Yung isang pumirma, siya yung nag-preside sa special AGMA. Yung isang tao pumirma in a different contract, hindi siya yung nag-preside, may tinatawag na Task Force Duterte. So, kailan ba ginawa yung Task Force Duterte? Obviously, it is after the special annual General Membership Assembly. Tama?
Mr. Chair, if I may, the Task Force Duterte was issued August 16, 2018.
Issued?
Before the AGMA.
So, bakit iba yung nag-preside? So, parang sinasabi nyo na mali yung Task Force Duterte who's supposed to preside over the special AGMA did not preside over the special General Assembly? Is that what you are trying to tell this committee, Mr. Administrator? O kasi, September yung special AGMA. So, mali yung nag-preside over 6,000 member consumers. And I'm sure there is a NEA representative present during the special AGMA.
If I may, Mr. Chair, if I may narrate or recite what is written in the order, the chairman or the co-chair of the task force shall act as co-signatory of the executive officer who will come from the management team on the issuance of checks, withdrawal slips, and other banking transactions of Samselco with all its depository banks. On the other hand, the functions of the current board of directors of Samselco shall be limited only to completing the engagement